Hello my dear students, it's time for some very quick revision. Your grammar practice session. English language paper 1. Complete the sentences by filling in the blanks with the correct tenses from the given choices. Question 1. I wish you dash louder as I can't hear what you say. Were speaking, spoke, would speak or speak. The right answer is spoke. I wish you spoke louder as I can't hear what you say. We use past tense forms to talk about wishes for the present. Therefore, spoke is the correct choice grammatically. Now, question number 2. The audience dash to take their seats, please. Is requested, have requested, may request or are requested. The right answer are requested. And why is it so? The audience are requested to take their seats, please. Now audience can be used in the singular sense or in the plural sense. If you take audience as a single, whole or entity, you will have to supply the singular verb. But if you are referring to the members of the audience, then you will have to use the plural verb. And in this question, they have used their, thereby suggesting that you will have to supply the plural verb while referring to the members of the audience. Hence, the right answer, the audience are requested to take their seats, please. Question 3. It dash all day yesterday before the garden wall collapsed. Rained, has been raining, had rained, was raining. The right answer had rained. It had rained all day yesterday before the garden wall collapsed. Question 4. Each member of this group dash guilty. Is, are, is being, were. Each member of this group is guilty. Try to remember your subject-verb agreement rules. Whenever you start a sentence with each, you will have to supply singular verb. Question 5. Last night, the radio said that the volcano Etna in Sicily dash will erupt, is erupting, erupts, has to erupt. The right answer is erupting. Last night, the radio said that the volcano Etna in Sicily is erupting. And question 6. Rohan dash in Mumbai for quarter of a century now. Will live, lived, has been living, had been living. Rohan has been living in Mumbai for quarter of a century now. Question 7. The metro dash before we arrived. Was left, has left, left or had left. The right answer is the metro had left before we arrived. Your past perfect tense. Question 8. The burglar dash if the police had been faster on the scene. Had been caught, would have been caught, would be caught, will be caught. The burglar would have been caught if the police had been faster on the scene. Question 9. John dash daily for a year now. Exercises, was exercising, has been exercising or have been exercising. John has been exercising daily for a year now. Question 10. The wise leader and politician dash assassinated. Are, has been, have been or have had been. The right answer has been. The wise leader and politician has been assassinated. Why did I use has been instead of have been? Again, it's time for your subject-verb agreement practice. The wise leader is the politician. Okay, the definite article the is used just once. It is used before the wise leader, meaning the wise leader himself is a politician, referring to one person, hence singular verb. 11 now. Sheila dashed the movie before she read the review. Watches, have watched, had watched, was watching. The right answer, Sheila had watched the movie before she read the review. 12. I dash this magazine since morning. Had been reading, has been reading, have been reading, shall be reading. I have been reading this magazine since morning. 13. If he hadn't gone to Nepal, he dash Mount Everest. Would climb, wouldn't have climbed, wouldn't climb, won't be climbing. The right answer, he wouldn't have climbed Mount Everest. If he hadn't gone to Nepal, he wouldn't have climbed Mount Everest. Question 14. I think dash such a mistake again. Is not making, has not done, will not do, will not make. I think he will not make such a mistake again. The last option. Question 15. English dash all over the world nowadays has been spoken, is speaking, will be spoken. Well, the right answer is English is spoken all over the world nowadays. I waited to phone until my sisters has left, will leave, had left or is leaving. I waited to phone until my sisters had left. Question 17. My auntie dashed the meal all morning and it is not ready yet. Cook, is cooking, had been cooking, has been cooking. The right answer, has been cooking. My auntie has been cooking the meal all morning and it is not ready yet. Evidence shows that Jaya dash inside the house at the time of the murder. Was, is, will be, has been. Evidence shows that Jaya was inside the house at the time of the murder. Question 19. Radhika dash married 15 years next December. Will be, will have been, had been, was. Radhika will have been married 15 years next December. The last one, last but not the least. I will let you know as soon as I dash any news. Here, will, hear, am hearing or heard. I will let you know as soon as I hear any news. Well, my dear students, this is the end of today's video. This is a very short video and I will keep uploading such videos so that you can just have a look and you can practice.